Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the dirty world of engine maintenance with an exciting twist. If you thought your car engine could never be clean, think again. We're uncovering the best engine cleaners that will have your engine purring like a kitten and running smoother than ever. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking to save some cash on repairs, you won't want to miss these top recommendations. So sit tight, rev your engines, and let's clean up the competition. Ready? Let's roll into our ultimate guide to engine cleaners. Number 5. Sonx 543,200 to 755 engine degreaser and cleaner is your ultimate solution for all your engine cleaning needs. This fast and effective degreaser is designed for various applications, including car engines, machine tools, and parts. With its powerful formula, it tackles even the toughest oil, grease, mud, dirt, and grime, ensuring your engine looks as good as new. What sets Sonx apart is its ability to safely remove dirt and grime from vertical surfaces and those hard-to-reach areas, making it a must-have for any automotive enthusiast. Not only does it clean, but it also restores the OEM factory shine and appearance of your engines, tools, and parts. This professional-grade degreaser is perfect for handling jobs that other cleaners simply can't manage. If you're searching for the best engine cleaner on the market, look no further. Experience the difference with Sonx 543,200 to 755 and give your engine the care it deserves. Number 4. STA-BIL Fast Fix is your ultimate solution for keeping small engines running smoothly. This remarkable engine treatment effectively cleans carburetors and injectors while addressing the common issue of rough-running engines. Designed specifically to combat the negative impacts of ethanol-blended gasoline, STA-BIL Fast Fix breaks down gum and varnish, ensuring your equipment starts without a hitch. What truly sets this product apart is its ability to eliminate water from your fuel system, all without the need for costly engine disassembly. The 8 ounces bottle treats up to 20 gallons of fuel, making it a versatile companion for lawnmowers, chainsaws, trimmers, and snow blowers. For best results, simply mix 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of fuel, run your engine for 15 minutes, and watch as the additive works its magic. With STA-BIL Fast Fix, you can restore optimal performance to your small engine equipment with ease, truly one of the best engine cleaners available today. Remember, it stays effective for up to 2 years after opening, so mark that date. Number 3. Gunk EBGEL Engine Bright Gel, the ultimate choice for those seeking the best engine cleaners. This powerful 15 ounces aerosol degreaser gel, specifically designed by Gunk, excels in tackling tough grease and grime without the dangers of abrasiveness. With its convenient gel formula, it clings to surfaces, providing deep cleaning where you need it most, ensuring your engine looks as good as new. The Gunk Engine Bright Gel is perfect for automotive enthusiasts and everyday users alike, effectively breaking down stubborn residues while being gentle on the components. Weighing just 1 pound and fitting into any nook of your garage, this product guarantees easy handling and effortless application. Experience a professional-grade clean right at home, making engine maintenance simpler and more effective than ever. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your engine's performance and longevity with Gunk EBGEL, because your car deserves the best. Number 2. Griots Garage 11158 Engine Cleaner. This powerful cleaner is specifically designed to loosen and break up grease, grime, and stubborn engine gunk, making it an essential tool for any automotive enthusiast. With its easy spray-on application, all you need to do is agitate the surface and wipe it clean, and you'll see your engine parts shine like never before. Not only does it effectively clean, but it also prepares your power plant for dressing, enhancing its overall appearance and performance. Packaged in a generous gallon size, this engine cleaner is perfect for multiple applications, making it ideal for both professionals and DIYers alike. Trusted by those serious about vehicle maintenance, Griots Garage has earned its place among the best engine cleaners on the market. Invest in your engine's health and aesthetics with this top-notch cleaner that delivers outstanding results every time. Number 1. XADO Engine Oil System Cleaner with Anti-Carbon Effect is your go-to solution for achieving ultimate engine cleanliness and performance. Designed to tackle deposits, sludge, and gunk, this powerful cleaner revitalizes your engine's oil system, ensuring optimal functionality. What sets XADO apart is its versatile formula, making it suitable for all engine types, including turbo-supercharged engines, offering comprehensive protection across a wide range of vehicles. Experience the long-lasting benefits of the revitalizant in the formula, which forms a protective barrier to maintain your engine's health and efficiency. Plus, its ease of use means you simply add it to your engine oil before an oil change, streamlining your maintenance routine. With over 20 years of industry leadership, XADO has established a trustworthy reputation among engine care products. If you're looking for the best engine cleaners on the market, the XADO Engine Oil System Cleaner is an exceptional choice that guarantees proven results and satisfied customers. Make your engine feel new again. In conclusion, using the right engine cleaner can enhance your vehicle's performance and extend its lifespan. From powerful degreasers to eco-friendly options, we've explored the best products on the market to help you choose wisely. Remember, a clean engine leads to better efficiency and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.